Hello and welcome to this essential guide on absorption costing. I am your host Thamizharasu, a seasoned business coach with a passion for demystifying complex business concepts. Today we will delve into the world of absorption costing, a critical accounting tool that can significantly impact your business operations, profit reporting, and decision making. So let's get started.
01. Understanding the basics of absorption costing. Firstly, it's important to understand what absorption costing is, also known as full costing. It is a method where all manufacturing costs, both fixed and variable, are allocated to individual products. It includes direct materials, direct labor, variable overheads and fixed overheads. The logic behind this method is that every cost involved in the production contributes to the final product. Hence, every cost should be included when calculating the product cost. 02. The importance of absorption costing in business operations. Now you might ask, why is absorption costing important? The answer is simple. It provides a comprehensive view of the product cost, which is essential for accurate pricing, inventory valuation, and profit calculation. It helps businesses make informed decisions about their products and operations. 03. Step-by-step guide to implementing absorption costing. But how do we implement absorption costing? Here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify all costs involved in the production process. Step 2. Categorize these costs as direct material, direct labor, or overheads. Step 3. Allocate overheads based on a predetermined overhead rate. Step 4. Add up all these costs to get the total product cost. 04. Key differences between absorption costing and variable costing. Absorption costing is often compared with another method called variable costing. The key difference lies in the treatment of fixed manufacturing overheads. While absorption costing includes them in the product cost, variable costing treats them as period costs and deducts them from the revenue of the period. 05. How to calculate product costs using absorption costing. Calculating product costs using absorption costing is fairly simple. You just need to add up all direct materials, direct labor and overhead costs and then divide by the number of units produced. This will give you the cost per unit. 06. The role of absorption costing in inventory valuation. Absorption costing also plays a key role in inventory valuation. Since it includes all manufacturing costs, it provides a more accurate measure of the inventory's worth. This is crucial for financial reporting and decision making. 07. Advantages and disadvantages of absorption costing. Like any method, absorption costing has its pros and cons. The main advantage is that it provides a comprehensive view of the product cost. However, it may overstate the cost per unit if the production volume is low and fixed overheads are high. 08. Real-world examples of absorption costing in business. To give you a better understanding, let's look at some real-world examples. Companies like Ford, Apple, and Procter & Gamble use absorption costing to calculate their product costs and manage their finances. 09. Absorption costing and its impact on profit reporting. Absorption costing has a significant impact on profit reporting. Since it includes all costs in the product cost, it can lead to higher reported profits when inventory levels increase. This can be beneficial for businesses looking to improve their financial performance. 10. Absorption costing, a critical tool for effective decision making. Lastly, absorption costing is a critical tool for effective decision making. It provides a comprehensive view of the product cost, which is essential for pricing decisions, cost control, and performance evaluation. And that wraps up our guide on absorption costing. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications for more videos like this. Remember, understanding your costs is the first step towards a successful and profitable business. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.